Are you struggling to manage multiple client accounts for cold email outreach? You're not alone. Many agencies face the same challenges daily. Imagine filling your clients' pipelines effortlessly while streamlining your workflow. Woodpecker is the game changer you've been searching for. 1. Manage 100 accounts as easily as one, saving time and reducing stress. 2. Automate email warm-ups and ensure high deliverability to boost your success. 3. Offer clients detailed reporting with guest viewer options for transparency. Woodpecker stands out with its dedicated agency dashboard and seamless integrations. Plus, with features like free email validation and white label reporting, it's unbeatable. Why wait? Transform your outreach efforts today with Woodpecker and watch your results soar. Visit our website to get started now.